รายการต่อไปนี้
Day 2 in Thailand. This is our brunch for today. I ordered red pork and crispy pork.
Malambot.
How's your food?
Malambot.
Ano yan? Stewed pork leg?
Malambot.
And yan, crispy fried chicken. And ito, spring rolls with shrimp. I'm having guava smoothie, mango smoothie for G, watermelon smoothie for Kat, and coconut smoothie for Rap. Beshi, dito tayo magpamassage.
Siguradong sabay-sabay kayong
Sabay-sabay imamassage. Our first destination for today, Krung Thong Plaza. For the plus size clothes. Saan tayo ngayon?
Nasa Nepo.
Nabudol na naman ng mga beshi ko. On the way to Siam. Nonchalant guy. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Kiss. Thank you. Kopkot crab. Yeah. Next destination, Kantima Salon. Labubu. We're here at Siam Square. It looks like the BGC. Gentlewoman flagship store. Kaya pa ba, mga beshi?
Sa shopping, kaya ni Beshi, ah?
True.
Mamaya magpakadugang-dugang na dito.
Another budol.
Kailan ba honor?
BTS Siam Station. Next destination, Siam Paragon. Another budol.
Wait lang, I'm
Okay, thinking muna.
thinking.
Let's see kung mabubudol. We will be having our lunch here at Siam Paragon Gourmet Eats Food Court. And mga Michelin. So we will try their authentic Thai milk tea chatramu. Hi, I'm a tea cover. Hello, Ma. So we're having pad krapao for our lunch. How to cook pad krapao? Kapkon crab. So I ordered beef pad krapao. Beshi, what can you say sa chatramu?
Sarap.
Aroy, Mac. And may moving pa. Kabalen tutupin ng chismis. This is so delicious. Aroy, Mac. Next destination, MBK Center. Saan tayo pupunta?
Don.
Another voodoo for tonight. Getting ready for the Songkran Festival 2025.
Wala lang sa atin, pero mura lang to. Walang 599 yan.
Deserve mo yan?
Walang deserve. Yan ang 1.7.
Ano bang gusto mong bilhin?
Oo.
O, bilhin mo na, go.
Mami, nawala
For 799?
Nawala yung mami ko.
Wait mo siya. For the one piece.
This one, I want this. This. You see this?
Anong itsura niya?
Ay, ito yun.
Zorro.
Parang ano ba?
Oh,
What can you say?
Yan, yung bata na pagbigyan. May isang bata. Akala ba nagsalag pa lang?
Not all. Ikwanim Burina. Matcha lovers, unite.
Matcha hater.
Sorry, I'm a matcha hater. But I am Thai lover. Another budol. Fried rice cracker. For the shabu-shabu. Ito na nga bang sinasabi ko eh.
titingin lang po.
Another budol. Talagang lumalapit sa iyo ang One Piece. Makapangyarihan ang Black Onyx. Ay, wow! For the dragon, for the Fuku Matcha, what can you say?
It's good. It's so yummy. It's so creamy.
Aroy Mac!
Aroy.
My first Fuku Matcha. Di ako mahilig sa matcha pero I'll try. Aroy Mac! Di man siya mapait.
So, love mo na ang Fuku.
Fuku, pero yung G&G House.
Okay.
The bag looks like Crocs. You can put G-bits.
How much?
Mabubudol kaya si Beshi? Dug-dug. 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 Oh. Load die my crop. Or the stairs. Kakayanin para sa magandang view. Kaya pa, Beshi?
Konti na lang, mararating na namin ang Mount Everest.
Watch your step. This is the landmark of Siam. Dami nagpo-photo ops. As a BL fan, support sa LED. Greeting. Beshi, tara na. Eh, nakamagpanggap ken. Eh, mo na yung kilala.
Ako na resident na.
Ay, Tidman. Mukata. Popcorn crab. Libre lang yan. We'll be having our dinner here at Tidman's Buffet in Batatong Road. So this is the proper way on how to cook their Thai-style shabu-shabu. So para hindi dumikit yung meat, kailangan yung fat ng meat i-spread out muna sa taas, sa griller. Ayan, yung fat. Para hindi dumikit. Ilagay mo na ang seafood sa seafood soup base. Okay na to. Beshi, what can you say? Aray Mac? Aray Mac? Aray Mac? Here's for Aroy Mac. Come visit Gedmans at Batatong Road. Kung kakain kayo dito, make sure na huwag nyong susunugin yung griller kasi may extra charge ng 50.
Hindi ba sa Pilipinas na ako.
Oo. So what's the menu for tonight?
Steamed egg.
Steamed egg kayo dyan. With really big onion. And steamed shrimp. Stop, stop, stop! Masarap din itong juice nila, 4 seasons. Beshi, are you okay? Bakit nananahimik ka na? Nag-start pa lang tayo eh. Ano ang salarin? Hotdog. Nakailang ka hotdog? Uwe, 4 lang? O yung hotdog ni Toot! At siyang Lilian. Luto na ba yung sigang?
Halya po. Go-go ka.
Kabalen. Gogome. Pakagogome. King hips. Uy, malapit na malutong aming steamed egg with giant onion. For the ice cream. What's the flavor? Ube, chocolate, coconut, and everything. If you want to eat delicious food, come here at Bantatok Road. So magpapamassage kami dito, sabay-sabay di massage. Sawadee krap! Makasalang na laray, Beshi. Katayan na nalo. Good luck. See you next slide. Pala ko ingrown na ka. the waiting game.
Ito may
Kami ang next.
Ito mo.
Oh. Lancelot yarn. Uy, ilang minutes na lang mag-iiba na yung character mo. Tignan nyo, abangan nyo bukas ang character niya. Enemy na nakadrugo. Massage pa more.
Salang muna eh.
Salang na sa.
Sila naman ang next na katatay.
So, i-wash nyo ng ating mga bitis na pa.
Seryoso, hirap oh.
In character.
Oh, in character yan pa din.
Ang yaman.
Ano masabi mo, Besh?
Aroy ma. Sabay-sabay. Chill. This is it, guys. This is it. Private massage 101. Ito yung susuotin ko for this massage. Outfit reveal. Nice. Okay guys, book na kayo dito sa sabay-sabay. Your two new therapists. Therapist na ka.
Look for us.
Look for us here. End of the night. How's the massage?
It's nice. Kahit malungsay itang mag-massage.
Epic massage. It's my first time but worth it. Okay guys.